Hey there! Looking to hire a Python developer? Let's walk through the key steps so you find the perfect match, fast, efficiently, and cost-effectively. First, identify exactly what you need from a Python developer. Python 3x proficiency with advanced object-oriented programming and functional programming, or experience in web frameworks such as Django, Flask, FastAPI, or Tornado. Or you need strong backend architecture such as REST GraphQL APIs, microservices, and database know-how. Now, when you have selected your needs, next step is to know the experience level you need. Either you need senior developer who has 5 to 6+ years in designing scalable systems, performance tuning, and CI/CD, or whether you are looking for junior who has 2 to 3 years, focused on scripting, automation, and unit testing, which is great for support roles. After selecting experience and your needs, next comes pricing. Decide on your hiring model. Tuvoc offers 3 hiring models. 1. Managed teams with project managers. 2. Direct hires, onboarded in 72 hours. 3. Monthly support, ideal for ongoing needs. After that, please check frameworks, tools, and use cases. Watch whether you need Django, Flask, FastAPI, and also ML tools like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, or visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Plotly, etc. Make sure your vendor or developer follows a strong onboarding process, such as requirements analysis, team assessments, full integration, and ongoing collaboration. Why choose a service like Tuvoc? You get 1. 95% higher accuracy and transparency. 2. Up to 99% data security and top quality. The rate starts from just $15 per hour, depending on expertise you're looking for. Check their track record. Tuvoc built HIPAA-compliant healthcare apps with a 45% reduction in cancellations, EdTech LMS platforms doubling learning outcomes, and FinTech systems boosting processing speed by 85%. If you want to hire a skilled Python developer, whether junior or senior, or need a ready team, reach out to Tuvoc. They'll handle everything from tech stack to deployment. Let's make your project a success. Visit tuvoc.com and book a free 30-minute consultation. Let's build something great together. Visit our website, tuvoc.com/hire Python developer to learn more.